In this video, I'm going to be trading Bitcoin using a trading bot that I've coded to trade Bitcoin utilizing Google AI. So if you look at the chart here, uh, on to the left is the bot. I've started the bot. I began to get the bot running because it takes 25 minutes for the Bitcoin data feed to load. So currently it's loading up. We're at minute 13 here. And as soon as all the data has loaded from the Bitcoin price feed, uh, I'm going to wait for specific alerts. Now, I've programmed this bot to give me not only pop-up alerts, but also a sound alert and a chart alert here. So what'll happen is there'll be an alert on the screen here at the bottom once the rules of the strategy have been met, and it'll tell me, okay, open a buy alert or open a sell option. So I also have onto the right here, I have my pocket option screen open to Bitcoin here. So this is the current chart of Bitcoin, and I have the strategy here. Uh, so if you look at I have the period set to, excuse me, the period is set to 2, which is the default setting here. In the style settings, I've changed the line width to 2 pixels. For the fractal chaos bands, excuse me, that was the fractal chaos bands. For the moving average, I have the period set to 20. Let's say change that. I'm setting the period to 20, and in the style settings, I've also increased the line pixel to 2. That way we can see the chart a little bit better. Okay, so 20 SMA and period 2 on the fractal chaos bands. All right, so I coded the bot specifically to those settings. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and wait for a trade alert, come back, show you the alert, how it works, and take the trade. Okay, so I just took a buy trade here, and as you can see from the bot, it gave me a buy long signal, gives you the price there. So I took a 60-second trade on pocket option. So it also gave me a sound alert, and that's why I jumped to the screen and took the trade immediately. Being that these are fast 60-second trades, the second you get the alert, you got to go ahead and hit that buy button, hit the button, whether it's a buy or a sell. All right, so it's looking real good right now. We have a bullish breakout here occurring to the upside. Uh, the candle here broke above the upper boundary of the fractal chaos band, which is how I programmed the bot, and we won that trade. Okay, so we have we got a good signal here. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and wait for the next signal, come back. We can dismiss that. And also, if you notice here on the screen, there's also a an alert. It shows as a yellow uh, here. So I'm going to pause the video and look for the next alert. I took a buy trade, and the reason why I took the buy trade is, see the signal here shows a buy signal. So I went ahead and took the buy trade. As you see here, the candle closes above the fractal chaos band line. So let's monitor. It looks like there was actually a breakout here to the upside. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Wow. Okay. So we won that trade. It retraced back, but I caught the entry right on time here. So As you see here, the way the bot was programmed, the SMA line is sloping upward, suggesting a bullish trend in the direction of Bitcoin here. And then I programmed the bot to take the trade when to signal the alert when the candle closes above the upper boundary of the fractal chaos band line. All right, so I'm gonna pause the video and look for the next Bitcoin alert. Okay, so I just received a sell alert, a short signal here on Bitcoin. So I went ahead and took the trade. I just took a sell trade here. Uh, See here the pop-up alert as well as the alert on the screen here. Trade signal detected short. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, so that trade was in the money. So yeah, the candle here, this red candle closed below the upper boundary. Excuse me, the lower boundary here of the fractal chaos band line, and so the bot signal an alert here. All right, so let me pause the video and look for the next trade alert. I wanted to take note that if you look at this signal here, I didn't take this trade because even though the bot gave me a short alert, the SMA is saying it's a bullish trend. So this is counter to the short trade here. However, here where I just took the trade, the SMA, the bot is telling me there is a bearish trend here and therefore take the short. Okay. Okay, so I just received another sell alert here for Bitcoin. So I went ahead and took a sell trade here. We see the alert on the screen here. In addition to that, there was a sound alert that I heard. That's why I went to my screen and took the trade. Also here we're seeing the trade signal detected short. And also we're seeing here there's a bearish trend which aligns with the short that we took here. All right, so let's monitor this trade. See this long candle here close below the lower boundary of the fractal chaos band here. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Awesome. So we won that trade. All right. So yeah, uh, the bearish line here on the SMA has to coincide with the short. All right. So I'm going to pause the video and wait for the next trade alert. Okay. So I just got another sell alert here. So I just went ahead and took a put trade on the pocket option platform here. Fractal chaos band closed below the lower boundary. Excuse me, the candle closed below the lower boundary of the fractal chaos band, suggesting a bearish breakout to the downside. And so that's why the short was generated. Plus, we're seeing here a bearish trend, which aligns with the short. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, so we won that trade. The bot is doing amazing. As predicted, phenomenal bot. Okay, so I'm going to end the trading session here. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment if you have any questions about the trading bot. Subscribe to my channel to keep up to date with my latest trading strategies. Uh, the bot, like I mentioned, uh, not only trades Bitcoin, it also trades various crypto assets, stocks, major currency pairs, and some indices as well. I've shown you the accuracy of the bot. Also, I wanted to make note that I've only been trading about 2% of my capital. You don't want to risk high percentages of your capital because nothing is perfect. The bot may lose trades, and that could result in huge losses if you're risking high amounts of your capital. There's a link to the platform. If you're interested in the bot, I can give it to you free. All I ask is that you open a $50 trading account on Pocket Option using the link in the channel comments or in the video description or the channel bio. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Gus Schmidt, Fractal Chaos Band, Simple Moving Average, Multi-Asset Trading Engine.